Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to solve exercise 5.3. Let us get into the session.
Look at this exercise 5.3. Choose the correct relationship between x and y from the given table. They given the table, the value of x they given and y they given. What is the general form of this tabulation? That is the question. Here listen, x equal to minus 2, y equal to 4. Then y equal to which formation sequence? General form of the y is what? X. First option 4. Listen, minus 2 plus 4 means we get plus 2 only, but they given y equal to 4. So this option is not. Y equal to x plus 5. That means minus 2 plus 5. We get plus 3 only. That is also wrong. Second option also wrong. Third option, y equal to x plus 6. Listen, minus 2 plus 6. Minus plus different sign. We have to subtract, this means plus 4 we get. So y equal to plus 4. X equal to minus 2 means y equal to plus 4. Which format is this? X plus 6. So this one is the answer. Next one, find the triangular number from the Pascal's triangle and color them. Listen, triangular number or the number of object we can arrange in the form of number of object we can arrange in the form of equilateral triangle. For example, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 like this. So listen, we have to color this. Three, 6 and 10 and then 15. Next one, which one? Here 21. In the sequence, next number is 21. Here 1. So in this equilateral triangular form, that is the answer here on. So that is the answer. Third sum, write the first 5 numbers in the third slanting row of the Pascal's triangle and find their squares. What do you infer? Listen, first 5 numbers in the third slanting row. First slanting row, this one. Slanting row, and this is second, and this one is third. Third slanting row, the first 5 numbers, that is 1, 3, 6, 10, this one. So numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, etc. Here squares of the numbers. Squares of the numbers are 1 square, 3 square, 6 square, 10 square, 15 square, 21 square, or 1, 3 square means 9, 36, 100, 15 square, that is 225, 401, 41. From that we come conclude. Listen, natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Its cube and sum of the cube, that is the square of the triangles, square of the numbers of triangle number. 1, that is 1 cube equal to 1. So here also 1, its triangle is also 1. Next, 2, natural number 2 cube, that is cube equal to 2 cube, that is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 plus this 1 plus 8 equal to 9. That is the square of the triangle's next number. How much? 9. Next, 3. 3 cube, 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 1 plus 8 plus and then 27 equal to how much? 36. That is the third number square. And number 4, natural number 4 means 4 cube equal to 64. So 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 equal to 100. That is what? 10 square. 5 cube equal to 125. That is 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 equal to 225. That is 15 square, that is. So 225. And then 6 means 6 cube equal to 216. So 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216 equal to 441. That is 21 square. 441. That is the from the above table. From the above we conclude sum of the cubes is square of the triangles numbers. That is the answer. Fourth sum, tabulate and find the relationship between the variables x and y for the following patterns. Listen, first one, only one hexagonal shape, and then 4, and then 9 here, and then 16 here. So now tabulation x, y. 1 means here also 1, x 2 means here 4, in third part that is 9, fourth 16, and fifth one 25, like this it goes on. So now we tabulate that. They ask what is the relation between x and y. That is general form. So the relation between x and y is x equal to 1 means y equal to 1, x equal to 2 means y equal to 4. So that is x squared, y equal to x squared. 1 squared means 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So that is the answer. Next one, that is for first one. Second, 1, 3, 5 and then 4 plus 3 7 and 7 plus 2 9. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. So listen, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2 means second term, that is here 3 and 3 here 5, 4 here 7, 5 here 9. So 1 plus 2 3. Listen, the relation between x and y is y equal to 2x minus 1. Listen, put 1 for that means we get 2 into 1 2, 2 minus 1 1, and then we put 2 for that, x means 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 means 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1 5. So that is the answer. Fifth sum, verify whether the following hexagonal shapes form a part of Pascal's triangle. Listen, they given the Pascal's triangle. From the Pascal's triangle, they given a hexagonal shape. Is it from the Pascal triangle? Verify that. How means? Listen, first one, add the alternative numbers. Multiply means 11 into 1 into 78 equal to 1 into 66 into 13. Multiply means we get 858 here and here also 858. So it forms a part of Pascal's triangle. That is the answer. Next one, same procedure we can follow that. Listen, 10 into 35 into 6. 10 into 35 into 6 equal to 5 into 20 into 21. 5 into 20 into 21. So multiply this means 2100, here also 2100. So it form a part of Pascal's triangle. Next one, third, multiply this one, 28 into 120 into 9 equal to 8 into 84 into 45. We multiply means we get 30,240. Here also 30,240. So it form a part of Pascal's triangle. Next one, 56 into 126 into 210 equal to 70 into 84 into 252. Multiply this means we get 14,81,760. Here also 14,81,760. So it also form a part of Pascal's triangle. That is the answer. Here exercise 5.3 is over. So children, practice well. I'll see you again in next video session. Thank you.